Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this December the 18th, 2023. I'm hoping everybody's having a great Monday out there so far. Everybody has a great Monday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be talking about your forecast for Tuesday and Wednesday. Also the weather radar across the nation. Also the watch and warn advisory map for your location. Also the Storm Prediction Center outlook for the next several days. So if you're a new viewer and have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and consider subscribing. Love to have you. Like these videos, share these videos, and let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see here we got mixed precipitation up here in southeast Canada from northern Maine through portions of Vermont, New Hampshire, New York State, also into Pennsylvania and West Virginia, Montana, Washington, Oregon. Alright, otherwise high pressure is in charge of every weather for southeast Florida region as well, the Bahamas and Cuba through the Carolinas all the way back up toward Connecticut. Wednesday forecast now. Conditions are reporting of south, also in the northern central Mexico to Texas, also over toward from Georgia all the way to Maine. All this area here is in dry conditions. Also New Mexico and Arizona, shower activity. Also mixed precipitation in Colorado. Can't forget about you folks as well. All right, we got shower activity up here in portion of around Vancouver, Canada, portion of northwest Washington State, through California, all the way down towards southern Arizona, southern New Mexico, and also western Texas and northern Mexico as well. All of this activity is for your Wednesday, December 20th. Alrighty, let's move on to the weather radar, see if it's going to show this evening. Hopefully it'll come up this evening. I've been having trouble with it for the past radar view don't. We'll give it. Okay, it's gonna come line up. Through Tennessee in the higher elevation, bringing some mixed precipitation there as well. Mixed precipitation, some showers over to Arizona, also into Idaho, and also into Montana, and just southeast of Calgary, Canada. Alright, now it's time for the Watches Warning Advisory map for your location across the nation. Center not even coming in either, so alright. I'll give it about another. Here it is. West warning is also in effect for a portion of Wyoming. Also, we got some hydro issues down there in portion of northeast areas of Florida. Also, freeze watches in effect for North Florida, southern Georgia. Freeze warning there. Lake wind advisories over South Carolina. Flood warnings along area rivers, portion of South Carolina. Virginia, also in the West Virginia, all the way up into New York State, Pennsylvania, New York State, and also portion of Ohio, in the West Virginia. We have a lot of flood warnings going on around New Jersey, Delaware, and portions of southeastern Maryland, and Pennsylvania and eastern Maryland vicinity. All gale warnings, small craft advisory from portion of Maine all the way down to portions of California, all the way up to portions of Washington State. Watches there as well. Some gale. We're just going to show you the next 3 days, and also California. Same over here. Severe weather here. As you can see here, we got California. They got over 10K, but 21,518 people without power in portion of Cali. Up here in New Jersey, we have 13,235 people without power. Up here in Connecticut, we have 41,884 people without power. Also over here toward Rhode Island, we have 21,160 people without power. Up here in Massachusetts, we have 2,881, 217,009 without power there. Up here into portion of New Hampshire, we have 12,474. And also up in Maine, we have 427,933 people without power in Maine, thanks to them high winds in that area. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. I hope everybody continue to stay safe and well. So enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribe if you have. Wonderful